Hello, and welcome to grouping select statement results sets. In this video, we will learn about some advanced techniques in retrieving data from a relational database table and sorting and grouping how the results set displays. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how to eliminate duplicates from a results set and describe how to further restrict a results set. At times, a select statement results set can contain duplicate values. Based on our simplified library database model, in the author table example, the country column lists the two-letter country code of the author's country. If we select just the country column, we get a list of all of the countries. For example, select country from author order by 1. The order by clause sorts the results set. This results set lists the countries the authors belong to, sorted alphabetically by country. In this case, the result set displays 20 rows, one row for each of the 20 authors. But some of the authors come from the same country, so the result set contains duplicates. However, all we need is a list of countries the authors come from. So in this case, duplicates do not make sense. To eliminate duplicates, we use the keyword distinct. Using the keyword distinct reduces the result set to just 6 rows. But what if we wanted to also know how many authors come from the same country? So now we know that the 20 authors come from 6 different countries. But we might want to also know how many authors come from the same country. To display the result set listing the country and number of authors that come from that country, we add the group by clause to the select statement. The group by clause groups a result into subsets that has matching values for one or more columns. In this example, countries are grouped and then counted using the count function. Notice the column heading for the second column in the results set. The numeric value 2 displays as a column name because the column name is not directly available in the table. The second column in the results set was calculated by the count function. Instead of using the column name 2, we can assign a column name to the results set. We do this using the as keyword. In this example, we change the derived column name 2 to column name count using the as count keyword. This helps clarify the meaning of the results set. Now that we have the count of authors from different countries, we can further restrict the number of rows by passing some conditions. For example, we can check if there are more than 4 authors from the same country. To set a condition to a group by clause, we use the keyword having. The having clause is used in combination with the group by clause. It is very important to note that the where clause is for the entire result set, but the having clause works only with the group by clause. To check if there are more than 4 authors from the same country, we add the following to the select statement. Having count country greater than 4. Only countries that have 5 or more authors from that country are listed in the result set. In this example, those countries are China with 6 authors and India also with 6 authors. Now you can explain how to eliminate duplicates from a result set and describe how to further restrict a result set. Thanks for watching this video.